That's a good sight to see. Pro Sport GP for Moto number 3. Here we go as they get ready off the gates. Into the hole shot. Now overall, the one to watch are Supak Setra, Orapan, Pumpon, and Pyrod. The top 4 right now overall. Once again, on the outside of the option is Pyrod, but did not do enough because Supak took the lead coming out of the option. Let's see how well Supak's, let's see how his crab's gonna do, because in motor number 2, his crab stalled out just a little bit, could not get enough throttle, enough speed. So let's see how well he'll do here in motor number 3. Pyrod is still in second and Pumpon in third as they split up. Pumpon is on the inside, Pyrod on the outside. Pumpon being contested right there. Will it be enough? Pumpon still in third, just edging, not enough to pass Pyrod. Number 9, Pumpon still in third position, trying to catch up with that Pyrod in second. Only a half a buoy away from each other. That's where the action is at right now as they move into the backstretch. Now we're halfway through the Pro Sport GP motor number 3. Heading into the option as they split up once again and see if he can have a chance of getting Pumpon. Let's see if he can get a chance of getting an edge on Pyrod. Still not enough. Pyrod still in second, holding him off very nicely. We're going to keep you right here with the action. Second and third, because they're very, very close. Right now, Supak is way up there. Hopefully he can hold off. Supak is doing very nice right now in motor number 3. Harada. He is out of the race. Number 58 in second position, nicely riding right there. Pyrod on Nim. He must be getting tired trying to run him down. Still battling right there for a second. 2 and 3. Heading into the backstretch again. Tanawin just passed and creeped up into third. What happened? What happened to Pumpon? Subade Tata is out also, being dragged out. Going into the final lap. Supak Setra does not look like he will have a big problem coming in first in the motor number 3. There it is, the current world champion in this category. Supak Setra taking the checkered flag for motor number 3. And here comes Pyrod on number 58. And Tanawin got third. Results for motor number 3, Supak Setra coming in first, Pyrod on him in second, Tanawin in third. Orapan dropped to fourth, but still keeping himself in the top 5 is Pumpon with 39 points. Let's take a look at the overall results after 3 motos here. Supak Setra, as we expected, with 159 points. Parrot on him 13 points behind the leader right now with 146. Orapan 139 points overall, 20 points behind. Pompon overall in 4th, only 24 points behind the leader. And of course, Tanawin 27 points behind the leader. Okay, now we're going to move right along to motor number 4, the final moto for the Pro Sport GP. This is it. This is the moto you're going to see who will be the world champion in this category. Final moto. All right, once again on the inside is Supak, coming out very nice. On the outside, once again, is Pyrod. Very nice riding today by that man, Pyrod on him. Very consistent, always on the top 3. Supak Setra, there he is. Battling for second position as we speak right now is Orapan and Pyrod on him. Orapan is in 3rd, Pyrod's in 2nd. So let's see how well she's going to do here. Supak still in 1st, going on the outside of the option. Pyrod following right behind. Orapan right behind him. So 1, 2, and 3 all on the outside of the option. Supak, once again, something's wrong with his craft. Not enough throttle. It just not, something is always wrong with the craft. He needs to make up time. Hopefully he can get back in the race. Not enough juice in the throttle right there for him, Supak Setra. As we battle for 1st position right now is Orapan and Pyrod. Heading in the backstretch. This is going to be a good one here. Now, if Supak Setra is out of the running on the top 5, he's going to lose his opportunity to be the champion in this category. As we take a look at the battle for 1st right there, Orapan and Pyrod. And this is number 58. Pyrod on him. Right behind him is Orapan. Can she hold him off? And that is 89, Tanawin. Oh, the action is 1, 2, and 3, close, very close to each other right now. What happened to Supak Setra? We don't know where he is right now. Dropped a lot of places. All he needs to finish the race at least to have a chance to touch that trophy. Tanawin's trying to go after Orapan right now for 2nd position. Heading into the power bend. Out of the backstretch. There's Orapan number 16. Still currently riding very steadily in 2nd position. She's going to be taking the inside route as Tanawin going on the outside, see if he can catch up with it just a bit. Pyrod still in 1st. Orapan still holding off. Can she hold him off? Can she hold him off? Tanawin passing Orapan going into 2nd. Great action right now in 2nd position. Everybody wants that position. Let's take a look at the replay right here. As you can see, Orapan on the inside coming in there, and here comes Tanawin on the right side of her. Number 89 right in front of you. Shooting straight into the red buoy. Just enough to take over 2nd position. Supak Setra is just trying to finish the ride. The throttle's just not moving for him right now for this last and final moto as they head into the final lap. And battling now for first position is Tanawin and Parod on Nim. Orapan still in third. Almost coming in there is Parod on him.
Number 58, Parod looks like he's going to be on the inside.
Parod's going to take on the outside.
Outside.
Coming in very nicely right there, number 58, Parod on him, taking the checkered flag. Unofficially right now, the unofficially is, we'll have to check who it is. Number 58, Parod on him is the champion for the Pro Sport GP. Unofficially, let's check. Results for motor number 4 here is Parod on him coming in first. Tanawin coming in second with 53 points. Orapan in third with 48 points. Permpon with 43. Supak Setra coming in fifth. That's going to hurt him very, very badly. Let's see the overall results. After 4 motos, Parod on him just edging Supak with 206 points. He will be the champion of the Pro Sport GP for 2011. Supak in second, Orapan in third, Tanawin in fourth, Permpon riding off 5th position overall. Jet Ski Kings Cup Chang Drinking Water World Cup Grand Prix 2011.